But when you dance like that, when it was like with Karishma and
Dance of Envy.
yeah,
Yes.
that one, and with Aishwarya, is there really a competition, or is it just on screen that we see it?
You just see it on screen. There's no competition. In fact, the Dance of Envy was like a little bit of competition for the film,
Huh.
not in real life. In real life, we are more bothered about where is my position, how is she going to come. You're so
The technical aspect.
yeah, the technical aspect, and then you get into the mood and you're dancing, and so it's collaboration, like you said. It was a collaboration. It was not a competition, but it was a Dance of Envy in the movie.
But
It's
it-
supposed to be a competition in the movie where
must be
she's
pressure,
jealous
no?
and she is not really. We had fun because it was Shamak Dawar
Huh.
and his dancers, and he was doing Dil To Pagal Hai was the first time he actually choreographed.
Did
for
you enjoy
a
that
movie.
film?
Oh yes, it was so
As much
nice
as we
working.
enjoyed watching you guys.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Every day.
Yeah?
It was so much fun being on that set. First of all, Yashji,
Hmm.
he is an amazing, I still say is, but he was an amazing person and a director. So he believed in just, spontaneity.
Huh.
So he never used to do one shot more than 4 or 5 times. He used to be happy. Natural lag raha hai. That's what he used to be, he used to go with that. And the energy he used to bring on the sets. Even for his age, he used to be like a youngster, literally, on the set. And of course, there's Shah Rukh and there's Karishma and me, and it was a riot.
And
Get
also,
such
I
a-
think in all his films, the woman lead actor who
Always.
is like a goddess.
Yeah.
You know,
But most of his movies, if you see every movie of his, a woman plays a very important role in his movies. Like even in Dil To Pagal, I just pointed it out to someone. I said, the girl says that, I don't have a boyfriend, I don't have a Valentine, but so what? I'll just celebrate Valentine for myself and with myself, like that. So I think he was very forward thinking for his and women, the way he portrayed them, graceful, elegant, enigmatic, So he used to do that.
but it's also the roles that you have picked in your life. Is this strong women roles that you've picked, whether it's Dil, Mrityu Dand, Pukar,
Beta was yeah.
Gulab Gang,
Gulab
right?
Gang, that's right.
These were all very strong roles that you picked, and yet in those films, you're not aggressively strong in the sense of putting off men. There is a vulnerability, also a feminine grace.
Like in
with
Mrityu Dand, I
strength.
mean, she loves her husband. It's not like she's not a man hater or something. She loves her husband, but she just cannot tolerate the fact that they're putting down a woman and they're considering her as an object or something that they can play with and not respect. So she's always fighting for that respect that she needs, in the society for women. And that was what brought to the fore. Not the fact that it's not male bashing. She is standing up for her own rights. So that is, I think that is what plays up well.
So, in all the characters that you picked, when you pick roles, do you see that it can't be just this abla nari? There has to be a redeeming feature. Like even Chandramukhi that you portrayed in Devdas, she had spine. She wasn't this just a pretty face dancer kind of a thing.
No,
like
she
there
was not. Like
yeah.
she even tells Dave once that she says,
Get
that,
on with it.
ये जो पैसे तुम बार बार
हाँ.
ऐसे दिखाते हो ना कि पैसे पैसे like that, ये हमारे तलवों में होते हैं. Like she tells him that. Like we trample on this money, and what are you thinking? You're some big guy who's come here, and so she gives it back to him, but she loves him like
Yeah.
beyond anything. She just
Yeah, that's an all-consuming passion,
Yes.
which is not necessarily a weakness, is what
Yes.
you portrayed
Yes,
in
that's
that.
right. Yeah.
That you learned from that relationship, and hota hai to hota hai. If it culminates into something, it does. If it doesn't, it
she's
doesn't.
more like Meera,
Yeah.
who
Bhakti.
loves Krishna. It was more like a bhakti.
Yeah.
She knows she's never going to get love back, but she still loves him.
Huh. Is it difficult to portray that kind of a all-consuming passion? Or is it like what I'm trying to say is that if it's not in your nature to be like that, if your nature is to be a calm and mid-level, what should I say, neither too much nor too little, that kind of a stable
I am
person.
a very calm person in real life, but there's sometimes you have to do scenes that are like over the top too, like in Dil, where I just break a bottle and I say, अगर मेरा सर काट दोगे तो मैं ऐसे जाऊंगी, मेरे पैर काट दोगे तो मैं ये कर दूंगी, and all that. So in real life I won't do that. But that character, the way she is, like a ziddi, like a spoiled little child, who wants her way all the time. And so when you have to portray something like that, you just have to let go, which I found very difficult when I did it for the first time in Tezab,
Okay.
where she's locked up in the room, and then Munna comes, in that dark room where she's been locked up, not given food, and the father's being very harsh with her. And Munna, she just goes crazy when she comes to, take him and run away. So that scene I found a little hard to do because it was very different from who I am. I'm
Yeah.
a very calm person. If people are going crazy, I can keep my, calm, and I can.
Yeah, that's what
You know,
everybody says
yeah,
about you.
yeah.
That
So-
there's a stability to you. Sthirta is
Yes,
the word. I don't know
yes.
how to explain it in English, but there is, a calmness about
Calmness, a very.
it. But to do something which is totally
yeah,
out
it's
of character.
totally out of character. And I was like, I don't think I can do this. I just couldn't bring myself to go to that pitch. And so N. Chandra said, don't worry. And he just sat there and he said, look at me. And then he just went crazy, ballistic, and he started screaming it out. He says, there's nothing to this. Just think about what's going to happen. And, you've been here, and give me the spiel. And then I was like, I got to break this barrier. I got to go there. And it just happened then after that.
Yeah, and when your family watches this, they say, "Oh, Mom, you're not like this." Do your son say that about you?
Well, they do, but there are times when you need that little
The
bit of-
Rudra Rupa.
yeah.
But
Especially
then-
when you have kids. Sometimes you have to
I
have
can
that
become
Rudra
like
Rupa.
this.
Yes.
Watch out. Is there anything that people have not seen of Madhuri Dixit? Any of the Navarasas that you have not portrayed so far that you feel?
I think to a large extent, I feel Mrs. Deshpande is going to do that because they've not seen me like that ever on screen.
Evil. Is
Kind
it?
of. She's a multi-layered kind of a person.
Okay.
And it's not about being evil. It's about being. She's someone who has so many layers. She's calm on the surface, but there's so much going on, inside her, and which kind of comes out, suddenly when she's a master manipulator. Even when they get her out, and she is collaborating with the
Getting out
police,
of
but
jail.
it is not on trust. It's just because something so bad is happening that they have to curb that they get her out. But can she be really trusted? She's a master manipulator, so she has her own agenda all the time. So it's a very multi-layered character, which will be amazing. I had great fun playing
So
this
it's
character.
releasing on 19th
19th of
Geo
December.
Hotstar,
Yes, on Jio Hotstar.
and it's produced by Applause Entertainment.
That's right.
But after 4 decades in the film industry, to play somebody who's a serial killer, that's kind of a challenge, isn't it? Like
It is a challenge.
You're breaking a
because-
mold.
Yeah, you're breaking a mold because I don't think we've had a movie or a series done on a woman serial killer yet. I don't think so, at least. Maybe I'm wrong, but I have to look up. And also the way it has been portrayed, the way the character is, Nagesh Kukunur has done a fabulous job. And I think because he was at the helm and Applause was producing it, that I agreed to do it because I know in the right hands, the script has to be in the right hands to portray you in that manner,
Yeah.
because it's a very different thing. People might feel, oh, what is this, kind of a thing. But I think we have tried to be very true to the character and portray her in the most natural, real, completely bared up, kind of a way.
Huh,
Like
you
bared,
don't,
right?
yeah, I've seen one episode of it before the interview. I'm lucky to have seen that, but even in the trailer that is coming up, it's that bare look,
Yes.
which you have, and but the thought of you playing a negative role, even though you have in a movie, but an entire series, and everybody knows that there will be some shades of a humane nature probably behind, or a scheming nature, but a reason for the scheming
Yes,
nature.
yes, of course.
When you
Everything has a reason why people are the way they are. There's always a backdrop, there's always a backstory to it. And of course, she will have her own backstory. And when people see it, they will kind of.
was it
realize.
challenging to play that role?
It was challenging because, you have to. It cannot be Madhuri Dixit anywhere, in the thing. It has to be something very new. It has to be very nuanced. The character is that way. He didn't want it to be over the top, gestury kind of a character. It has to be very calm, very cool. Just a face telling you stuff and making people uncomfortable who's sitting in front of them, and that kind of a character. And I think Nagesh always had this line saying that let's do a take where there's a little less MD and more Mrs. D. So those kind of things. And I think we all have worked very hard on it, and let's see how people react to it.
Yeah, to see that you're totally a different person and there's no aura of a Madhuri in the scene. But
Yes.
tell me, working on OTT, are you comfortable with the medium? You've done, of course,
Absolutely.
several.
I've done Fame Game, I've done Majama.
Majama.
And so I'm completely like comfortable with that. And in fact, I think when you do a series, like in a movie, you have to tell your story in 2 hours, and the characterization and some things are just understood. कि
Yeah.
हो गया होगा ऐसा था or whatever. But here you get to develop your character, and you can show so much more. There's so many stories,
Yeah, I love
other
it so much
stories,
more.
and which kind of make your character even more powerful.
Correct.
Because everyone has stories around them.
Huh.
And then why this character is the way she is completely explained, and it's much more powerful.
Yeah, and it seems more relatable also for most people. You know,
Yes.
the falling in love or the falling out of love, or whatever the scene.
Yes.
It takes time to develop.
Absolutely.
It makes it realistic. If an MF Hussain is to watch you today playing these roles, what do you
Yeah.
think his reaction would be? Because he was so overwhelmed with your beauty image, and he did Durga also because he saw the strength behind it. How would he have reacted now?
Oh my God, he would say, I have something more to paint. He would go, it's a fresh canvas, for him. Everything is like a fresh canvas. I say with you, that you have to always reinvent yourself. Every phase in your life is like a new canvas, and you paint on that, So I think he was of the similar thought, that for him it would have been another, another pehlu kisi ka, to discover that, and to kind of react to. And he would tell me that, I like the scene, or I didn't like it, or this was that. And he would, he's like I said initially when we were talking, that he would paint, and I said, Hussain ji, painting, what are you trying to say through this painting? He says, I'm the artist, I've painted. The interpretation has to be done by you. You have to tell me, what do you see in this painting?
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is, टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.